How do you install mass-loaded vinyl for soundproofing? Imagine turning a noisy, echo-filled room into a peaceful retreat. That's what installing mass-loaded vinyl can do for your home. It's a smart way to block sound from traveling through walls, ceilings, and floors. If you're finishing a basement or attic, this material can make a big difference. Let's walk through how to install it step by step. First, gather your materials. You will need rolls of mass-loaded vinyl cut to the height of your wall or ceiling. Have a utility knife ready to cut the vinyl. Use a staple gun or a screw gun with half-inch staples or drywall screws suitable for your wall framing. Keep a caustical caulk, seam seal tape, and putty pads nearby for sealing gaps and outlets. It's helpful to have a second person to help because mass-loaded vinyl is heavy and tricky to handle alone. Measure the wall height carefully and cut the vinyl strips, leaving a small gap of about 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch around the edges for sealing. When cutting around electrical outlets or other protrusions, cut tightly to the box and seal any gaps with a caustical caulk to prevent sound leaks. Start attaching the vinyl at the top of the wall or ceiling, fastening it horizontally with staples or screws every 12 inches. Work downward and along the sides, fastening every 3 feet, making sure the vinyl stays flush with the studs. Do not overlap the panels. Instead, butt the seams tightly together and seal them with seam seal tape. Use putty pads around outlets and switches to block sound transmission. Once all panels are in place, apply a caustical caulk around the edges, including floor lines and any penetrations like pipes or outlets. Seal all seams with the tape to create an airtight barrier. After sealing, hang drywall over the vinyl. Use either standard drywall or thicker 5/8" drywall for better soundproofing. For extra soundproofing, consider adding a damping compound like green glue between drywall layers. Remember to install mass-loaded vinyl on all surfaces where sound might pass through, including walls, ceilings, and floors. Keep a small gap around edges for sealing with a caustical caulk. Avoid excessive overlapping of panels to prevent uneven thickness. When installing on ceilings, a drywall lift can make handling easier. Following these steps creates a dense, flexible sound barrier that cuts down noise transmission significantly. This method works well for interior walls in basements and attics, especially when you want a quiet, private space. Proper sealing and careful installation are key to making the most of your soundproofing efforts.